And now if we go into the document validity report, so we are going to see what is going to happen with the documents. Are these valid or these expired, and what is the status with them? So these are all the different document types which are there, and this is the date range that we have selected. So what happens, we can select the future date as well, and we can see what is going around. And because the older versions are the one which are expired documents, and but then the upcoming ones, these are going to be in the valid section. And if there are any custom fields which are mentioned over here, so these can be seen, and we can have a look at these, and we can print it out, and we can see the overall status. This is not at the moment in the Excel export format, but very soon it is going to be introduced. And now we would like to see what happens with other reports. Reminder reply report is basically the one where you are able to see the reminders that you have sent to the people, and if they have responded to you, so you can see what are the reminder replies that they have sent. So this is a demo account. There are not any reminders at the moment, but you will be able to see what is the date, what is the reminder date, who is the user, what is the status, and what is the comment that the person to whom the reminder was set, and what he has commented. Are there any attachments, and if there are any reminders. And now we are going to see the activity report. The activity is basically, as you know, that with regard to any document item type, there are some activities which you can mention, that what is exactly the current state of affairs of the document. So you are going to know overall what are the different comments, and you can have a look of all the reminder in just one section, and you will be able to know what exactly is going on. Thank you very much. So that's it from the report side, and if there are any reports coming up, we will definitely be letting you know. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.